Before starting facial, remove your makeup and cleanse your face. A facial is a spa treatment that involves a variety of processes designed to help cleanse, hydrate, moisturize, and relax your face. Facials can be part of all sorts of skincare routines, some of which are specialized for dry skin, acne-prone skin, or sensitive skin. Beauty Charm 24K Gold Facial Kit have 6-step. In this video, I'll give demo. First step. Beauty Charm All Day Fresh Glow Cleanser. 24K Gold All Day Fresh Cleanser with Sparkle Effects Clean and Glow. Cleanser combines powerful papaya enzymes for deep cleansing and salicylic acid for mild exfoliation of dead cells that can cause clogged pores and a dull complexion. Offers unique and effective ingredients. Take a coin-sized amount of cleanser on your palm and then apply it on your face. And it for some time as per the requirement. Beauty Charms this step removes any excess oil, sebum, and buildup that could prevent the rest of the facial from best affecting your skin. Now use your fingers in circular motion to gently massage your face. You can use deep and stimulating motions if you are looking to firm your skin. In case you have sensitive, acne-prone, or oily skin, stick to light pressure. Massage your skin 10 to 15 minutes, and then remove it with sponge. Second step. Bleaching. Beauty Charm 24K Gold Volume S20 and Blonders. Take 1 tablespoon Beauty Charms Developers. And 1/2 tablespoons Beauty Charms Developers. Mix both of them well. Apply Beauty Charms bleach on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, remove it. Face bleach is a purely chemical substance. Its chief component being hydrogen peroxide, which is the bleaching agent. The hydrogen peroxide lightens your facial hair and makes your face appear brighter, fairer. Face bleach does not lighten your skin. Beauty Charm bleach lightens your face evenly, making any pigmentation or blemishes on your face appear lighter. Face bleaching treatments can help in reducing dark spots on the skin effectively. The dark spots that are caused due to sun damage, aging, and hormonal changes. It can be good for those who want to eliminate skin discoloration, including freckles, sun exposure damage, and age spots. Third step. Exfoliating scrub. Exfoliation is the removal of dry, dead skin cells on the surface of the skin and is one of the most important aspects of home skincare routine for face and body. Exfoliation not only helps many skin problems, it also increases blood circulation, which in turn helps you to achieve healthy and glow. Apply on your face for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, do massage on your skin for 20 minutes, and then remove it with sponge. Beauty Charm Exfoliating Scrub has nano gold particle and smell. Texture, so goods. Exfoliating has always been my favorite skincare step. Whether I am using a physical exfoliator, which is a grainy textured substance I massage into my skin to manually remove surface debris. After 10 minutes, spray rose water on face and massage in circular for 10 to 20 minutes. step. Beauty Charms Moisturizing Cream. Take a coin-size amount on your palm and massage it gently on your wet face for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, wash our face with Beauty Charms 24K Gold Whitening Face Wash or lukewarm water. Beauty Charms Facial Massage instantly calms your mind, slips you into de-stress mode, and help you achieve impeccable and enviable skin. Not just that, face massage benefits your skin in many other ways as well. Facial massage tones your skin, brightens the complexion, and slows down your aging clock. Step. Peel off mask. Beauty Charms Gold Forever Young Mask is perfect skincare treatment to help you with your skincare concerns. The right face mask for your skin that helps you to remove excess oil, and impurities, the appearance of your pores in excellent way. Clean hands. Put it onto the face. Make sure to create a nice thick layer to make the peel-off process easier. Avoid eyes and lips. It's very important to let the mask dry out completely before trying to peel it off. Gently off mask from outer edges and wash any portion you are unable to peel. 6th step. Forever Young Mask. With whitening effect. Tack required quantity mask in bowl and add rose water for thick paste. Aloe and lavender extract help deliver continuous, soothing hydration, and in rebuilding collagen and help reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness, resulting in a firmer, more radiant complexion. Cleanse face thoroughly prior to mask application, and then apply onto face. Leave on for at least 15 minutes, then rinse with water. Hydrates and moisturizes dry skin. Refines large pores, improves skin texture, absorbs excess oil and dirt, decongests clogged pores, minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, enhances elasticity, improves the look of breakouts, brightens dark spots. Last step. Whitening serum. Cleanse your face before apply. Shake well before use. Pour a single drop on your palm. Start picking a very small amount from your palm using your fingertips to apply a very then layer on your entire face. Beauty Charms the 24K Gold Serum is an anti-aging formulation to give moisture and elasticity to skin while helping to restore the skin's youthful complexion. It will leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed.